Hi there, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be using my Shop My Stash products to create a makeup look for the day. So first off, I'm starting off with my primer. I'm using the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Primer. This primer is tried, tested, and true. I've used it with so many foundation products and it works like a gem. I also want to use this opportunity to say, please follow me on Instagram if you haven't. I do post additional content on there, so if you're looking for anything, it's most likely on my Instagram or TikTok. So now I'm going in with my foundation product, and this is the Decipher Me foundation. This is my customized shade. It is fantastic. Definitely check out Decipher Me because they create amazing products and I absolutely love the consistency of this foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte concealer and also the Revolution Hydra. I believe this is the Conceal and Hydrate concealer. Everything will be listed in the description box, so if you are looking for the product names, you can find it. I also link shopping links if you're looking for where to purchase them. They are affiliate, but it's no additional cost to you. It just goes towards supporting my channel. So to set the concealer, I'm going to use this powder from Tarte. I absolutely love this product. I've talked about it in a previous video and I love using it with a puff. It just really presses the product in place and it gives me that flawless set. For my base, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas base in, I want to say this is medium. And I'm applying that all over, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is from Morphe. Again, it'll be listed in the description box, but I haven't used this one, so I really just wanted to play with some of the matte shades and play with some of the browns and create just an easy peasy work look, nothing too strenuous. So I'm applying that all over the eye and making sure that I've got it fully blended and saturated on the lid. And then I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit with a darker brown from the palette. Again, this is more of an effortless, quick smoky type of eye. I'm not really putting too much effort into this look. I just wanted something nice and simple but still very sexy. And I'm using this palette from Ofra Cosmetics. I absolutely love it. It's a really good face palette because you've got like a contour bronzer shade. You've got a blush that kind of doubles up as a highlighter as well. And you also have a highlighter in that palette. So I'm using that to just define my face. And then I'm going to go in with the blush shade, which kind of doubles up as a highlighter, as I mentioned. It gives you that sheen. So if not really into highlighters, I definitely recommend this one because it's such a beautiful palette. Like these midi palettes from Ofra are just really good quality and very easy to use. Popping some kohl liner in my waterline, and then I'm going back in with that dark brown and just lightly smoking out my lower lash line. Again, nothing too strenuous. And then I'm going to go in with the highlighter shade from the palette and just pop that. You can see how it glows. It's just a really nice palette. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite from Ofra, if I haven't mentioned that like 100 times already. For my lips, I'm using the Morphe Bar pencil. I'm just going to use that to line my lips, and then I'm going to use the Morphe liquid lipstick in Sweet Tea. I love the consistency of the Morphe liquid lipsticks, and I also love the shade. It does give you kind of like the concealer type of shade, but honestly with a brown lip pencil is fun. Popped on my lashes and there you have it. So it's such a beautiful look. I am so here for it. Very easy for work. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorials. Quick and easy. Thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter. And I'll catch you in a future video. Bye.